Today, we're going to talk about the power of online marketing to boost your firm's reach and impact. At Bambiz, we specialize in elder law marketing and estate planning marketing. We know the transformation a well-executed strategy can bring you. The first step to successful marketing, know your audience. You have to meet your clients where they are online and start a conversation that they're invested in. The secret to effective digital marketing is personalization and relevance. Your clients have challenges, and your messages should speak directly to those. With some testing and refining, you can optimize your campaigns and really resonate with your audience. Here's a tip. Outsource your elder law SEO and digital marketing tasks. You're experts in law, not marketing. Let professionals handle your marketing so you can focus on what you do best. The beauty of digital marketing, it's instant. It encourages potential clients to act right away. Plus, you can capture, nurture, and guide these leads through the conversion process. Remarketing is another powerful tool you can use. It lets you re-engage those who have shown interest in your services before, increasing your chances of success. Digital marketing offers unparalleled flexibility. You can adapt your campaigns quickly to meet your clients' changing needs. Staying on top of trends is crucial. Consider embracing AI like chatbots for better client interactions. Also, take advantage of in-person meetings and webinars for direct and continuous engagement with potential clients. To learn more, check out my new book, Unstoppable Growth. It's a comprehensive guide to marketing strategies in elder law and estate planning. Ready to take your firm to the next level? Schedule a free Zoom call with us. Together, we can make a lasting difference in the lives of families in your community.